Repair capacity challenges continue to have a huge effect on the motor claims industry. Available repair capacity has fallen, while a shortage of replacement parts and increased repair complexity are increasing lead and cycle times. This is contributing to vehicle repair backlogs and exacerbating claims inflation across the industry. This negatively influences the claim and customer journey, leading to challenges across the supply chain. So, what is the solution? The industry is already taking steps to mitigate these challenges on front-end claims processes, implementing claims as a service models to streamline their approach, utilizing on-demand claims solutions for more flexible claims journeys. Could a similar approach be applied to the repair process, taking the industry's core requirements, accessible repair capacity, proactive repair management, best quality repairs, fully integrated services, and turning them into flexible as-a-service solutions? The market needs a more flexible repair solution, one that can adapt to current and future needs, solve emerging capacity challenges, reduce repair backlogs, and improve outcomes for customers. It's time for motor repair management to be reinvented.